Pinworms are tiny and worms that live in the colon and rectum of the infected individuals. They are also enterobius vermicularis, and the infection is usually known to as enterobiasis and helminthiasis. The infection caused by pinworm are highly contagious and are a result of ingestion of the tiny eggs laid by them. These eggs are usually transferred via contaminated food, drinks, and other infected utensils. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar contains about 6% of the acetic acid, which can lower the pH of your body while restoring the hydrochloric and balance and create an uninhabitable environment for the pinworms, making their survival inside your body difficult. Do this at least twice daily. Number 2 is coconut oil. Coconut oil is a natural antioxidant that possesses antibacterial and antifungal properties. These properties can be helpful in eradicating the pinworm infection and its symptoms. You must consume a teaspoon of the coconut oil every morning. Do this on a daily basis. Garlic. Garlic is another antioxidant that exhibits antibacterial and antifungal garlic cloves activity. You can chew on the garlic cloves daily or add them some seasoning to the food that you consume. You must do once daily. Clove essential oil. Clove oil is derived from aromatic flower buds like cloves. Cloves contain a compound which is called eugenol that exhibit powerful germicidal properties. These, coupled with the antiseptic and antimicrobial properties of the clove oil, help to treat the pinworm infection. Apply clove essential directly onto the infected area. Castor oil. Castor oil is quite popular for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial uses that are known to destroy and eliminate the harmful worms and parasites from your body. Castor oil can dislodge them from your intestine due to its laxative effect and in turn pushes the pinworm out of your body via excretion.